This video explains how to use PebblePad for personal academic tutoring. Tutors will be matched to their tutees when tutor groups are finalised. At this point, you will receive an email from PebblePad with a link to your tutorial workspace. The workspace landing page contains guidance and local advice on signposting students to further support. It is recommended that you bookmark the workspace in order to save time when returning later. Some tutors will have access to more than one tutorial workspace. You can find these by selecting the title at the top of the page. To view your students' workbooks, click on the Submissions tab. This will give you a list of your tutor group and allow you to see all the workbooks. You can enter each workbook by clicking on the title. Once in the workbook, your view is identical to the student's own view. The first sheet is a tutorial record. The students are asked to complete a minimum of 3 tutorial records. At the end of each activity, there is a space for you to leave a comment. Your comment will be available to your students as soon as you press Save. You may wish to fill this in during the meeting or at another time. The second activity is using feedback effectively. This is intended to encourage the student to reflect on their feedback and to enable a conversation about it. The student is asked to complete at least one of these per year. Students are also asked to undertake an academic integrity activity. This is a Canvas course covering citations, referencing and plagiarism, which includes a short quiz. At the end of the year, the student is able to confirm, using the Checklist tab, that they have completed the requirements. You are then able to sign this off in confirmation. Students will also have the opportunity to complete additional activities, some of which will be specific to local contexts. You can find these under the Additional Worksheets tab.